Who's our tour guide?
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Oh my god, so many people!
Alrighty.
Alright, I think Henya should jump in first. It's her birthday.
How about we,
Yeah.
on count of 3, we go together?
Oh,
I have
push her in.
beds explode over there,
Oh,
so
yeah.
touch
so
a
bring
bed
some
here.
beds. Oh,
Okay.
Zen!
What?
I think she got pushed in there by accident.
Touched a bed.
I think she got pushed in there by accident.
Oh no! Oh
Well, let's all let's
You'll be
all
fine.
do
You
it
can still run
together.
back here if you need.
Everything's going to be just fucking fine.
Oh my
You
god,
pushed
you never
me.
reset her spawn?
no! Make sure you touch the bed. Over there.
You make sure you all touch a bed.
I'm gonna touch bed.
Touching bed.
Okay, ready?
Alright,
Okay, ready?
ready?
Okay.
Touching our Minecraft
Ready?
beds
Oh, shit.
together.
Jump in. Go. 3, 2, 1.
My toenail touched
Here
the
we
bed.
go.
Oh my
I almost
god.
fell to my death.
Oh wow.
Oh my god.
Whoa.
Go.
Oh,
What the fuck?
What happened?
Excuse me?
What the fuck?
Who put a bed down?
It was Zen.
Zen, oh my
Yeah.
god, our stuff.
All our stuff is gone.
Hold on, I got some. I got
Yeah.
some. I'm gonna
Oh,
drop it
thank
in
you.
here.
Oh my god, I need a bow and arrow.
Zen,
Bow and arrow.
We're supposed to
Coin.
shoot
We
it.
literally said that the bed explodes when we get there.
Oh
Literally.
my god.
I need a bow and arrow. I don't have one.
Zero
I
arrows.
have an
I do not
extra.
have an arrow.
Yeah.
Zen, did you do that on purpose or you're actually a moron?
Bow and arrow, please.
Here you go.
Somebody?
I got bow.
Can somebody drop some arrows?
Oh my god, nothing's going to me.
I didn't know that the bed fucking exploded.
Thank you.
I swear to God.
Zen,
bow and
I
arrow.
just said it. I
just
just
said it.
Bow and arrow, somebody?
Okay, how about this? How about I die and I go get us some stuff?
Mousy, there we go.
Okay.
And a bow? Does anybody have a bow?
Oh,
I have a bow.
bow.
I gave it to you.
Oh,
No,
I
no,
dropped
I
two
didn't
of
get
them. I dropped
anything.
2 of them.
Here you go.
Oh, there we go.
Zen, you suck at paying attention.
That was amazing. And by amazing, I mean what the fuck?
Anybody have any
That's
armor?
a slight chance I didn't hear that part.
I
I'm
dropped
in my
every
pants.
number I got.
I will give you
Oh.
my stuff. I'm gonna go die and I'll go.